Have you ever wondered why some people seem to have glowing skin, strong joints, thick hair, and youthful energy as they age? The secret isn't always expensive collagen supplements. In many cases, it starts with the first meal of the day. Your body naturally produces collagen, but only when it receives the right nutrients. The foods you eat for breakfast can either support collagen production or speed up its breakdown. Protein, vitamin C, healthy fats, and antioxidants all work together to help your body build and protect collagen. In today's video, we'll explore 7 delicious breakfasts packed with these essential nutrients. Stay until the end because the final breakfast combines several of the most powerful collagen-supporting ingredients into one simple meal. 1. Greek yogurt with berries, kiwi, and pumpkin seeds. This breakfast is one of the easiest and most effective ways to support your body's natural collagen production. Greek yogurt is packed with complete protein, providing all the essential amino acids your body needs to repair tissues, maintain muscle, and produce collagen. Thanks to its high protein content, it also helps keep you full much longer than sugary cereals, pastries, or processed breakfast bars, giving you steady energy throughout the morning. But protein is only one piece of the puzzle. Your body also requires vitamin C to build strong collagen fibers. Without enough vitamin C, collagen production slows down, no matter how much protein you eat. That's why berries and kiwi make the perfect combination. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries are loaded with vitamin C and powerful antioxidants that help protect existing collagen from damage caused by free radicals, pollution, UV rays, and normal aging. These colorful fruits don't just help your body make new collagen, they also help preserve the collagen you already have. Kiwi is one of the richest natural sources of vitamin C. Just one fruit provides an impressive amount, along with potassium, vitamin E, fiber, and other beneficial plant compounds that support healthy skin and a strong immune system. Combined with berries, kiwi creates an antioxidant-rich topping that adds both flavor and nutrition. Pumpkin seeds make this breakfast even more powerful. Although they're small, they're packed with magnesium, zinc, copper, healthy fats, iron, and plant protein. Zinc supports healthy skin and tissue repair, while copper plays a key role in strengthening collagen fibers after they're formed. Magnesium is involved in hundreds of processes throughout the body, including protein synthesis, muscle function, and energy production, making it an essential mineral for overall health. For the healthiest version, choose plain Greek yogurt instead of flavored varieties, which often contain large amounts of added sugar. Too much sugar may contribute to glycation, a process that weakens collagen fibers and speeds up visible signs of aging. The natural sweetness of fresh fruit is more than enough to make this breakfast delicious. If you avoid dairy, unsweetened soy yogurt is an excellent alternative because it also provides a good amount of protein. You can customize the bowl by adding chopped walnuts for extra omega-3 fats or a sprinkle of cinnamon for additional antioxidants and flavor. Simple, colorful, and incredibly nutritious, this breakfast provides protein, vitamin C, healthy fats, fiber, and essential minerals that work together to naturally support healthy skin, stronger joints, and overall wellness. 2. Vegetable omelet with spinach, bell peppers, tomatoes, and avocado. Eggs are one of nature's best sources of high-quality protein, making them an excellent choice for a collagen-supporting breakfast. They provide amino acids such as glycine and proline, which are important building blocks your body uses to produce collagen. Starting your morning with eggs gives your body the raw materials it needs to support healthy skin, cartilage, tendons, bones, and connective tissues. The vegetables take this omelet to the next level. Spinach supplies vitamin C, vitamin A, folate, magnesium, iron, and antioxidants that help protect skin cells from oxidative stress. These nutrients support healthy cell growth while helping defend collagen against everyday damage caused by environmental factors. Red bell peppers are one of the richest vegetable sources of vitamin C. In fact, they often contain even more vitamin C than oranges. This makes them one of the best foods for supporting your body's natural collagen production. They also provide beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A to help maintain healthy skin. Tomatoes contribute additional vitamin C, along with lycopene, a powerful antioxidant known for helping protect the skin from environmental stress, including prolonged sun exposure. Including tomatoes regularly may help support healthier-looking skin over time. Avocado adds creamy texture while providing heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, vitamin E, potassium, magnesium, and fiber. Healthy fats are important because they help nourish skin cells and improve the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins. Vitamin E also works together with vitamin C to help protect collagen from oxidative damage. Cooking the omelet with a small amount of extra virgin olive oil adds even more healthy fats and beneficial plant compounds that support heart health and help reduce inflammation. Using fresh herbs like parsley, basil, or dill can boost the flavor while adding even more antioxidants without extra calories. This breakfast is also highly customizable. Mushrooms provide selenium. Broccoli adds even more vitamin C. Onions contain beneficial sulfur compounds, and smoked salmon increases both protein and omega-3 fatty acids. Every additional ingredient makes the meal even more nutritious. Unlike processed breakfast sandwiches filled with refined bread and unhealthy fats, this colorful omelet delivers a balanced combination of protein, vitamins, minerals, healthy fats, and antioxidants. It's a satisfying meal that helps keep you energized for hours, while giving your body many of the nutrients it needs to naturally support collagen production, healthy skin, strong joints, and long-term wellness. 3. Overnight oats with chia seeds, almonds, orange, and cinnamon. Overnight oats are one of the easiest breakfasts to prepare, but they're also one of the most nutritious when made with wholesome ingredients. Simply soaking rolled oats overnight creates a creamy, ready-to-eat breakfast that's packed with fiber, complex carbohydrates, and plant protein. Unlike sugary cereals that can leave you hungry within an hour, oats release energy slowly, helping maintain stable blood sugar levels throughout the morning. Keeping blood sugar balance is important because frequent spikes may contribute to glycation, a process that can weaken collagen fibers over time. Chia seeds may be tiny, but they're loaded with nutrients that support overall health. They provide plant-based omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, protein, calcium, magnesium, and antioxidants. These nutrients help support healthy skin, promote normal inflammatory responses, and provide minerals involved in tissue repair. As the seeds soak overnight, they absorb liquid and develop a smooth, pudding-like texture that makes the breakfast even more filling. Almonds add a delicious crunch while supplying vitamin E, healthy monounsaturated fats, magnesium, and extra protein. Vitamin E works together with vitamin C to help protect skin cells from oxidative stress caused by pollution, UV rays, and everyday aging. Healthy fats also help maintain skin hydration and elasticity, keeping skin looking healthier over time. Fresh orange segments are one of the highlights of this meal. Oranges are naturally rich in vitamin C, one of the key nutrients required for collagen synthesis. Without enough vitamin C, your body cannot efficiently build strong collagen fibers. The juicy sweetness of fresh oranges also means you don't need refined sugar or sweet syrups to make this breakfast taste amazing. Finish everything with a sprinkle of cinnamon. Besides adding warmth and flavor, cinnamon contains natural plant compounds with antioxidant properties that help protect cells from everyday damage. If you'd like even more nutrition, you can add fresh blueberries, sliced strawberries, or a spoonful of plain Greek yogurt for extra protein. Simple to prepare the night before, this breakfast is perfect for busy mornings. Every spoonful delivers fiber, protein, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals that work together to support natural collagen production while keeping you energized and satisfied for hours. 4. Smoked salmon on whole grain toast with avocado and microgreens. This breakfast combines several nutrient-rich foods that work together to support healthy skin, joints, muscles, and overall wellness. Smoked salmon is an outstanding source of complete protein and heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids. Protein provides the amino acids your body needs to build collagen, while omega-3 fats help support normal inflammatory responses and promote healthy skin from the inside out. Whole grain toast serves as the perfect base. Unlike refined white bread, whole grains contain more fiber, B vitamins, magnesium, and other nutrients that help provide long-lasting energy. The extra fiber also supports digestive health and helps keep you full much longer than highly processed breakfast foods. Creamy avocado adds another layer of nutrition. It's rich in monounsaturated fats, vitamin E, potassium, magnesium, and fiber. These healthy fats nourish skin cells, support the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins, and help maintain skin softness and elasticity. Vitamin E also works alongside vitamin C to help protect collagen from oxidative damage. Adding microgreens or sprouts makes this breakfast even more nutrient-dense. Although they're harvested at a very young stage, microgreens often contain concentrated amounts of vitamin C, E, and K, along with antioxidants that help defend skin cells against free radicals. They also add a fresh, slightly peppery flavor that pairs perfectly with salmon and avocado. For even more flavor, squeeze fresh lemon juice over the salmon. The extra vitamin C provides another boost for collagen production while making the meal taste lighter and fresher. You can also sprinkle black pepper, fresh dill, or sesame seeds on top for additional flavor and nutrients. This breakfast delivers an excellent balance of protein, healthy fats, fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants. It's satisfying, nutrient-rich, and provides your body with many of the building blocks it needs to naturally support healthy collagen production throughout the day. 5. Bone broth breakfast soup with chicken, vegetables, and herbs. Although soup isn't a traditional breakfast in many countries, millions of people around the world start their mornings with a warm, nourishing bowl. Bone broth is especially popular because it naturally contains gelatin and collagen-derived amino acids that can support connective tissues as part of a balanced diet. It's also comforting, hydrating, and easy to digest. Adding shredded chicken makes this breakfast even more filling by providing high-quality protein. Protein supplies the amino acids your body needs to repair muscles, maintain healthy tissues, and naturally produce collagen. Chicken also provides important nutrients such as niacin, phosphorus, selenium, and vitamin B6, which support normal metabolism and immune function. The vegetables make this soup even more nutritious. Carrots provide beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A to help maintain healthy skin. Spinach contributes vitamin C, folate, magnesium, and iron. Celery and onions provide fiber and beneficial plant compounds, while mushrooms supply antioxidants and minerals that support overall health. Adding leafy greens or chopped bell peppers increases the vitamin C content even further. Since vitamin C is essential for collagen synthesis, combining these vegetables with protein creates an excellent collagen-supporting meal. Fresh herbs like parsley, cilantro, dill, or chives add bright flavor while supplying additional antioxidants and vitamins. A small squeeze of lemon juice just before serving not only enhances the taste, but also provides another boost of vitamin C. One of the greatest benefits of this breakfast is hydration. Warm broth helps replenish fluids after a night's sleep, and proper hydration supports healthy skin by helping maintain its moisture and elasticity. Unlike sugary breakfasts that often lead to an energy crash, this protein-rich soup provides lasting fullness and steady energy throughout the morning. Comforting, satisfying, and packed with nutrients, bone broth breakfast soup is an excellent option for anyone looking to support healthy skin, joints, muscles, and overall wellness, while giving their body many of the nutrients needed for natural collagen production. 6. Cottage cheese bowl with papaya, pineapple, walnuts, and flax seeds. Cottage cheese is one of the best high-protein breakfast foods you can choose if you're looking to support your body's natural collagen production. It's packed with complete protein, providing all the essential amino acids needed to build and repair tissues throughout the body. Because it digests slowly, it helps keep you full for hours while providing steady energy throughout the morning. Unlike many processed breakfast foods, cottage cheese is naturally rich in nutrients without being loaded with added sugar. Papaya is one of the standout ingredients in this breakfast. It's an excellent source of vitamin C, which plays a critical role in collagen synthesis. Without enough vitamin C, your body simply can't produce collagen efficiently. Papaya also contains beta-carotene, vitamin A, and powerful antioxidants that help protect skin cells from oxidative stress caused by pollution, sunlight, and the natural aging process. Its naturally sweet flavor makes the meal taste like a tropical dessert without needing refined sugar. Pineapple adds even more vitamin C while providing bromelain, a natural enzyme that has been studied for its role in supporting digestion and normal inflammatory responses. The combination of papaya and pineapple creates a refreshing breakfast that's not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients that support healthy skin and overall wellness. Walnuts add another important layer of nutrition. They're rich in heart-healthy omega-3 fats, vitamin E, magnesium, copper, and antioxidants. These nutrients help nourish the skin, support brain and heart health, and protect cells from everyday damage caused by free radicals. The healthy fats also help maintain skin moisture and elasticity. A spoonful of ground flax seeds provides extra fiber, plant-based omega-3 fatty acids, and lignans, natural plant compounds with antioxidant properties. Fiber supports a healthy digestive system, while healthy fats contribute to smooth, hydrated skin. If you'd like even more flavor, you can add a light sprinkle of cinnamon or a handful of fresh berries for an additional boost of antioxidants. This colorful breakfast is naturally sweet, rich in protein, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. It's simple to prepare, incredibly satisfying, and provides many of the nutrients your body needs to naturally support healthy collagen production every day. 7. Collagen-supporting green smoothie bowl. The final breakfast combines several of the most powerful collagen-supporting foods into one colorful, nutrient-packed bowl. It's perfect for busy mornings because it's quick to prepare while delivering an impressive variety of vitamins, minerals, healthy fats, protein, and antioxidants. Start with plain Greek yogurt or unsweetened soy yogurt as the base. Both provide high-quality protein that supplies the amino acids your body needs to build and repair collagen. Greek yogurt also adds a creamy texture while helping keep you satisfied for longer. Next, add a handful of fresh spinach. Although it's low in calories, spinach is packed with vitamin C, folate, magnesium, iron, and antioxidants that help protect collagen from everyday damage. It's one of the easiest ways to increase the nutritional value of your breakfast without changing the flavor very much. Blend in frozen mango and kiwi for natural sweetness and an extra boost of vitamin C. These fruits are also rich in antioxidants, fiber, and beneficial plant compounds that support healthy skin and immune function. Their bright tropical flavor makes the smoothie delicious without needing added sugar. Half an avocado creates an incredibly creamy texture while supplying heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, vitamin E, potassium, and fiber. Healthy fats help nourish skin cells and improve the absorption of important fat-soluble vitamins. Add a tablespoon of chia seeds for extra fiber, calcium, protein, and plant-based omega-3 fatty acids. Pumpkin seeds provide magnesium, zinc, and copper, 3 minerals that play essential roles in tissue repair and collagen formation. Together, these ingredients supply many of the nutrients involved in maintaining strong connective tissues. Finish the bowl with fresh blueberries or strawberries, sliced almonds, and a sprinkle of unsweetened coconut flakes. These toppings add extra texture, antioxidants, healthy fats, and even more vitamin C, making every bite both nutritious and satisfying. This smoothie bowl is one of the easiest ways to combine multiple collagen-supporting foods into a single breakfast. It's refreshing, filling, and loaded with nutrients that help support healthy skin, joints, muscles, and overall wellness. Remember, no single food can erase wrinkles or rebuild collagen overnight. Healthy collagen production comes from consistent daily habits. Eating enough high-quality protein, getting plenty of vitamin C, including healthy fats, and filling your diet with colorful fruits and vegetables all help provide the building blocks your body needs to naturally produce and maintain collagen. At the same time, it's important to reduce habits that speed up collagen breakdown. Smoking, excessive alcohol, poor sleep, chronic stress, and diets high in added sugar and ultra-processed foods can all contribute to faster skin aging. Staying hydrated, exercising regularly, and protecting your skin from excessive sun exposure are also important parts of maintaining healthy collagen. The good news is that you don't need expensive supplements or complicated recipes to support your body's natural collagen production. Simple, nutrient-rich breakfasts like these can make a real difference when enjoyed consistently. Whether you choose creamy Greek yogurt with berries, a colorful vegetable omelet, hearty overnight oats, smoked salmon toast, warm bone broth, tropical cottage cheese, or a vibrant smoothie bowl, every meal is another step toward healthier skin, stronger joints, and better overall health. If you enjoyed today's video, let us know in the comments which collagen-supporting breakfast you're most excited to try. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next guide to healthy eating, natural wellness, and simple ways to help your body look and feel its best.